Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read "e" or "gen" in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to say. It has 7 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like gen. On its own, it is usually I. A mouth with sound lines rising out of it. Words being said. Now let's write it. 7 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. You means to say. Kotoba means word. And hougen means dialect. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Hanasu, read hanasu to speak. Kei, read kei to measure. Notice the small differences. So that's e to say. 7 strokes, read e or gen. Try writing it 5 times today.